Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can open split screen or split view on OnePlus Nord 4 5G. In order to do this, we have two options. We can, for instance, open the first app that we want to have in the split screen. Then we want to open the background apps. And then you want to press on these three dots of the app and choose split screen. After that, you want to select another app that you want to open. So let's say I'm gonna choose photos. And there we go. Now I have two apps opened at the same time. And if you want to close it, then of course in the middle you have these three dots and you can move it all the way down or all the way up in order to fully open a specific app. Another way to use the split screen is a gesture, and you need to use three fingers and swipe it from the bottom towards the middle, like so. And now we have triggered the split screen as well. And now we need to once again select another app that we want to open in the split screen. And there we go, we have two apps opened. And you can also make sure that the gesture is enabled by going to the settings. And in the settings, you want to scroll down and go to accessibility and convenience. And then over here, go to split view. And here we have the gesture that we can enable and disable. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.